Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this week's video. Today, we're being a little bit more dramatic. We're adding a little bit of more darkness than I usually do. And the makeup look in question is the one that I'm currently wearing. And if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. The first thing that I want to do is do my lips so that that is done and we can move on to the eyes. And because I'm wearing red, I'm going to put red lipstick on. So to start off, I'm lining my lips with the only red liner I have, which is from Primark, and it looks like this. Then I'm taking the Isadora liquid lip cream in the shade 16 in red. That looks like this. I am most likely going to have some sort of a lipstick stain on my teeth throughout the video, just because it's that creamy and it needs a second to settle. And so if I have lipstick on my teeth, I may or may not know, but I will be aware towards the end anyway. The first eyeshadow that I want to go in with is the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and it is a black. You can use any black that you have, and this is one of them black, or maybe the only black I have. I don't know. I don't want to look. And I'm going to be using a flat brush like this one and a fluffy brush like so. And I think I want to start with the fluffy, and where I want to place this is essentially in the outer corner, maybe a little bit up into the crease, but keeping it here, smoking it down to my lower lashes in the outer corner. Then I want to take a clean fluffy brush just in here. go in with another shadow, and that is Makeup Revolution Constellation Fractal, which is basically silver. And for this, I just want to use my finger and just fill in the blanks. Then I want to take a fleck brush like so and just pop that in the inner corner on my lower lashes. There is no eyeliner for this makeup look, but there is mascara. So let's curl our lashes. Then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting this on my upper and lower lashes all the way on both sides. Because it's such a dramatic look, that is why I'm doing the mascara on both my upper and lower lashes. But this is not done because my lashes don't really show that much, even though I have long lashes. So we need to go in with a little bit more drama, and I think these are the most dramatic lashes I own. I don't know. Anyway, but it's the Brilliant Eyelashes, some Korean brand, 172, but that's what they look like. And let's put them on. Then it's on to the highlight, and I'm just taking the Makeup Revolution Take a Breather and whites, and I'm taking a big fluffy brush on the large areas of my face. And then I'm taking some setting spray, and I'm using the W7, the Vitamin C Fixer. have it, a very dramatic, edgy makeup look with the gray and the black, and it's definitely something that I don't usually do, but I mean, sometimes we gotta be a little bit different. And I think this would be perfect with like leather pants and some black lace top and maybe like a long leather coat as well. That could be cool. Or a short one. Whatever you choose to do. You do you. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I do appreciate every single one who is subscribed and everybody who likes and comments. I appreciate all of you because it warms my heart so much. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!